Hey friends, if you encounter the error program.exe won't open when you click it on Windows. Basically, it's not program.exe. It could be like the name of the program and then .exe won't open when you click on it. Then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, and then OK, and then restart the computer. And lastly, perform a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. Okay. Click on next, select full scan, click on next, and then let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.